Paddleboarding's a good activity to spend time on. Not only does it allow you to enjoy the waters, but it also provides a good workout. Do you enjoy paddleboarding, but don't want to shell out the cash for a good, sturdy hardboard? Boy, have we got good news for you. You can opt to get an inflatable paddleboard instead of getting a traditional hardboard. Inflatable paddleboards are now slowly becoming the top choice when it comes to paddleboarding. Not only does it provide the same experience as a hardboard, but it's more durable, portable, and versatile, not to mention cheaper. It also has a lot of other benefits. So if you're shopping for your first paddleboard, it would be best to start with an inflatable one. Thinking of getting an inflatable SUP, but don't know where to begin? Well, you just came to the right place, for in this list, we will be looking at the 5 best inflatable paddleboards out on the market today. Let's begin. The first paddleboard on our list is the Go Plus 11-foot inflatable stand-up paddleboard SUP with 3 fins from Costway. This multi-function stand-up paddleboard is perfect for adult beginners. It is suitable for riders of all skill levels, and if you love other water activities such as water yoga, surfing, cruising, and fishing, among many others, then this is the perfect paddleboard for you. Thanks to its large space, it allows you to use it on lakes and rivers, so you have more avenues to show off your mad skills. Made from high-quality materials, this product will surely withstand the test of time and allow you to enjoy countless water activities. The paddleboard itself is crafted from military-grade drop-stitch material, allowing the board to withstand pressure without bursting or deforming, making it virtually indestructible. It's equipped with a non-slip grip to ensure a smooth and steady ride, while the EVA material provides friction to avoid slips and falls. It has a 6-inch thickness, and the paddle can be extended from 76 inches to 83 inches, so you can easily adjust it according to your preferences. It also comes with 3 tail fins, with one that can be easily removed to allow flexibility for steering. Additionally, it comes with a backpack to provide convenience and portability. It can be easily rolled up into a compact package to allow easy storage and transport. Aside from the backpack, the Go Plus comes with an extendable paddle, a manual pump, 3 tail fins, and a repair kit. The second paddleboard on our list is the Hydro-Forced White Cap Inflatable SUP Stand-Up Paddleboard and Kayak from Bestway. This versatile paddleboard is perfect for beginners and experienced riders alike. With the additional seat pad and backrest, it easily transforms into a kayak, allowing you to enjoy more water activities. It is designed with a large foot space that allows you to easily explore the water and lets you easily get up or sit down, thanks to its non-slip traction pad. Enhanced with the drop stitch pattern, this paddleboard is incredibly durable. It's constructed from a 3-ply reinforced polyester with double PVC walls to ensure that it will stand the test of time, while its 3 modeled side fins provide directional stability for a smoother and more stable ride. It has a 4-inch thickness and measures 120 inches by 32 inches by 4 inches, making it perfect for lighter riders. You can easily inflate it, and when inflated, it can be hard enough to withstand damage from rocks. Additionally, it has a convenient deck handle to enable you to easily pick it up and carry it, while the steel toe rings allow you to attach a leash or secure small items. Storing the Hydro-Force White Cap is a breeze, as all you need to do is deflate it and put it in the bag, saving you precious space. The package comes with a back seat and backrest, a travel bag, a paddle, and a pressure gauge. It also comes backed by the Bestway warranty coverage, which is 180 days for the inflatable board and 30 days for the included accessories. There goes the first 2 items on our list, but hold tight, for we have 3 more to review. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, now may be the best time to do so. Click on the bell icon while you're at it to get notified whenever we post new content. Now let's get back to the list. The third paddleboard on our list is the Pathfinder Inflatable SUP Stand-Up Paddleboard Bundle from Pathfinder. This extremely durable stand-up paddleboard is designed to withstand even the harshest conditions and will surely provide tons of memorable adventures on the water. Aside from paddleboarding, it can also be used for different water activities, such as fishing, water yoga, touring, and some light racing, while its large deck space makes it perfect for riders of all skill levels. Boasting a drop-stitch construction technology coupled with PVC material, the Pathfinder will ensure that you are getting every penny's worth. It is designed to be durable but still provides comfort at the same time. The EVA non-slip pad on the deck will make sure that you are always safe and will prevent accidental slips and falls. It has 5 stainless steel D-rings, one of which is located at the tail so you can attach your leash, while the other 4 rings are placed at the front with a bungee cord strap for storage. It is 9.9 feet long, 30 inches wide, and 5 inches thick, making it the perfect stand-up paddleboard for all types of riders in all water conditions. It takes approximately 5 minutes to inflate the board and is firm and solid once fully inflated. This board can easily navigate waters and has great speed as well. The package comes with an adjustable aluminum paddle, a removable center fin, a bag, a manual pump, and a valve wrench. It also provides a center carry handle, making it easy to carry while the bag provides extra convenience when storing. The 4th paddleboard on our list is the Vilano Journey Inflatable SUP Stand-Up Paddleboard Kit from Vilano. This versatile stand-up paddleboard is perfect for kids and lighter adults. You can use it for a ton of water activities, including exercise and touring for all-around water fun. This product is made with high-grade PVC drop stitch construction, so you can expect it to endure any condition and withstand the test of time. It can endure any damage thanks to its PVC material and is sturdy enough to provide countless water adventures, further enhanced with an anti-slip surface with a diamond groove design which prevents you from falling or slipping off the board. It makes sure that you're safe at all times while also ensuring you that you're comfortable while paddling. It has a single fin that allows for increased stability and better tracking, while the D-rings along with the included bungee can hold extra cargo or even allow you to add a kayak seat and a backrest for an all-day adventure on the water. When inflated, it has a thickness of 6 inches and feels rigid and tough as a hardboard. When deflated, it becomes only a foot in diameter, allowing you to conveniently store it in its bag. Aside from the board, the package includes an adjustable paddle, a removable center fin, a pump with a pressure gauge, a patch kit, and a valve wrench. It also comes backed by a 1-year manufacturer's warranty, which covers workmanship and materials. We only have 1 item left to review, so hold on tight. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, now may be the best time to do so. And don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we post new content. Now back to the list. The 5th paddleboard on our list is another one from Costway. The Go Plus 10-foot inflatable stand-up paddleboard SUP. This virtually indestructible paddleboard is designed to be enjoyed on different bodies of water like oceans, rivers, and lakes. And it will not only help you enjoy water activities, but also allows you to stay physically fit. So that's a win-win situation that you got right there. This product is perfect for beginners and experienced riders alike. Constructed from high-quality EVA and drop-stitch construction, it can withstand pressure without bursting or deforming, allowing you to enjoy more. It offers a lot of deck space, and its EVA material will prevent any accidental slips and falls, allowing you to focus on the scenery stretched out in front of you instead of focusing on not slipping or falling. When fully inflated, it has a thickness of 6 inches and measures 10 feet by 30 inches by 6 inches. It may be an inflatable SUP, but when it's inflated, it can be as sturdy and as rigid as a hardboard. It comes with a carry backpack, and once deflated, it can be rolled up and stored in its bag, allowing you to conveniently transport and store it. Additionally, the paddle can be extended from 67 inches to 83 inches, giving you more control. The paddleboard has 3 tall fins on the back, 2 of which are fixed, while the other one can be removed. The package includes the paddleboard, an extended paddle, a fin, a manual pump, a repair kit, and the backpack. Again, if you want to start paddleboarding, it's better to start with an inflatable board, as it will not only allow you to save money, but will also provide memorable adventures as well. We know that deciding on which paddleboard to buy can get really hard, so we hope we were able to help you choose the best one that'll suit your needs. And if you saw one on the list that you like, please head on over to the description to get all the links where you can catch them at their best prices. Please do subscribe to our channel for more relevant and informative reviews. Click on the bell icon to get notified whenever we post new content. And lastly, please feel free to leave a comment or request, for we are always looking forward to them. Well, that concludes our list of the 5 best inflatable paddleboards. Thanks for watching.